Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. On your phone, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings to open your account options. Scroll down until you find Activity Log under the Your Activity section. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top and type Activity Log. In the Activity Log, tap your activity across Facebook, then choose Manage Your Posts. Tap Filters, go to Categories, and select Posts, Check-ins, Photos, and Videos. Once they appear, tap Select All to highlight every post. Tap Recycle Bin or Trash, then confirm by tapping Move to Trash. Facebook will move all selected posts into the trash folder. Now go back and tap Recycle Bin. Select all posts again and tap the three dots in the top right. Choose Delete to permanently remove everything. And that's it. That's how to delete all your Facebook posts at once.